It was another day on the Clinchfield Highland Valley Railroad, and Clinchfield had just delivered his train of boxcars to the Union Pacific Railroad's yard, and he headed off back home. He had a long day and was looking forward for a rest. But early that night, some mysterious figures sneaked into the yard and took the boxcars. You're doing good so far, Rogue. Soon you'll get your brother back if you want that. I don't want to steal anymore. It's not right. We don't care. Just get the job over with. We're still gonna be rich when we all deliver this on our own and this railroad will be shut down. You said it, boss. This is gonna be awesome. But unknown to the shadowy figures, Crunchfield had been working on a night shift at the mine, and he saw the four figures racing by. He later on found their hideout and saw the mysterious engine going into a siding near a harbor. Okay, the deal's off. Just let my brother go already. Please, I had enough of this. No way, man. You're not gonna get away. Yeah, and you're not taking your brother. We will have a lot of the freight cars we need. And this is the last one. Now get back out there. Brother, please! Don't do this, Rogue! Sorry, Otto. You don't have a choice. It's either you being scrapped or me getting thrown off the tracks. Sorry, bro. Early the next night, Clinchfield was telling Aiden, Ron, and Mark about the mysterious engine. Are you serious, Clinchfield? Yeah. I think that engine was from the Illinois Central Railroad. Really? Yeah. 2 mound engines of their kind are still in existence. My driver told me about them. Wow, Mark. I never knew you'd say this, but you're smart. Yeah, I know that. Well. If it isn't the thief Crunchfield himself. Dahlia, leave Clinchfield alone. Go pick on someone your own size. Fine. We will get those boxcars and make sure that Jinx engine will be scrapped. Shut your mouth already, Dahlia. My name's not Dahlia, Ron. Shut your mouth already. When will you learn to behave? Just then, Crunchfield, Aiden, Ron, and Mark heard something. It sounded like an engine's pistons pounding. Wait, you hear that? Yeah, someone's coming, look! I think that might be the pirate. Yeah, I believe so. I gotta get out of here before the sun rises. I don't want to get caught. Not so fast, you pirate! Ah! You're not going anywhere! Well done, Clinchfield! That's the pirate, alright! I'm not a real pirate! Listen, my name is Rogue, one of the surviving Illinois Central mountain engines. I'm one of those 2 surviving engines here. Really? Who is that other engine? We have to help him. He's my brother, Otto. And they have been forcing me to steal freight trains. They're known as the Mountaineers and Northerns. There's only one Northern in the gang, and there are other 2 mountain engines. They're the pirates around here. I can't take it. I don't want to rob anymore. Don't worry, we'll help you. I have a plan. Really? Yeah. When they arrived at the hideout, Clinchfield and his friends formed the plan, along with Rogue. Okay, here's the plan. Mark will go in and save Otto. Sure thing. Then me, Rogue, Aiden, and Ron will race in when the thieves are distracted by someone. We'll race in and couple up to them and catch them. That's a very good idea, Crunchfield. Thanks. I hope this plan will work. Dave, I really don't want to do this. Barry, we want to show the Crunchfield Highland Valley Road. The boxcars, yes! I told you we were going to find them and show them that they're better than us. Yeah, I know, Larry. Hey, what are you doing here? Run, Larry, it's the thieves! Oh, crap! Run! Dear. I hope everything's okay. What? Who's there? Easy, Otto. Now, let's get you out of here. 3, 2, 1, charge!
The game's up. There's no escape.
Next morning, Mr. Clinton arrived at the yards to congratulate Aiden, Ron, and Mark for their heroism. I'm very proud of you four. You four stopped the thieves from stealing freight trains. The police have been looking for these engines for a while now, and I'm very proud of you two. Thank you, sir. Thanks. Much appreciated, sir. Amazing work, you guys. Now these guys are going to get what they deserve. Thanks, guys. We couldn't have done it without you. Yeah, these guys are going to get community service for a long time. Come on, you lot. Stop community service for you. We'll be back. Mark our words. This isn't the end of us. We'll be back. Oh, shut up. I'm afraid I'm gonna be on display for the rest of my life. I hope not, bro. You won't be. That's why the Illinois Central agreed to let you guys work with us in case if we need you. What do you say to that? Oh, sir, thank you so much. Yeah, it's an honor to work with you, Mr. Clinton. It's a dream come true. After Mr. Clinton had spoke to Rogue and Otto's owner, who put them on display, Otto and Rogue's owner agreed to let them work on Mr. Clinton's railroad in case of assistance. Otto and Rogue were happy to be working in steam again, and they were happy to have new friends like Clinchfield, Aiden, Mark, and Ron, and they were happy to have a good life back in steam. And Rogue is happy that he doesn't have to be a criminal anymore.